Struggling with bad lighting for your videos? Let me share with you my simple yet powerful and affordable light setup I imported from China. Watch through the video because I'm also going to share with you the amount I spent on each light and how you can get yours affordably too. My name is Jim. I'm a pharmacy technician and a video creator who helps medical brands, especially pharmacies, looking to grow their social media presence using the power of video. I also sell authentic content creation tools. So if you need tripod stands, microphones, video lights, look no further, I'm your plug. So let's dive right in today's video. Number one is my main light. I use the YM600SS, the multi-purpose professional studio light. It provides up to 100 watts of power and it's rated CRI 97. If you're wondering what CRI means in lighting and why you should even consider it when buying a video light, don't worry, I got you.